Hey, just a quick shout out. I want to say thank you to everybody who responded to that last video, kind of giving me advice on checking the ABS module and the brake booster. Because what I'm doing here is I took the Innova 5610 scanner. Shout out to Innova. Love this thing. And we are doing an ABS purge. So after running the ABS purge, I did a scan code read, and it says here that I have a Charlie 1214 hydraulic control system malfunction. Not quite sure what that is. I gotta Google it, but it's got something to do with the actual hydraulic system, either the booster or the ABS module. I'm just scrolling through here to see if there's any other just major, like diagnostic trouble codes, and there's nothing. There's a historic one for the navigation system. I don't have a navigation system. I ain't worried about it. So as I'm clicking here and just going through the active and historical codes, I want to give a shout out to this song that you guys are hearing in the background. It's called Cold Hearted. It's a guy named Kevin Thomas. I just randomly came across his Instagram, and dude, you guys have to check this guy out. So shout out to Kevin Thomas for actually letting me put one of his songs in a video. Hopefully we can put more of his stuff. So yeah, go check him out on Instagram. Alright, so all the air is purged from the ABS module, and we cleared all the codes and took it on a test drive. So, I mean, it felt good, especially at first, but definitely kind of got soft again towards the end of the test drive. So I don't know. I don't know if I was just kind of feeling for that or what, but I'm gonna just do one more scan before I call it a night, and with this code scanner, and you guys will see here in a second that there are no more additional codes, and everything was good, and yeah. So this is it looked like the issue that I was having was that there was air trapped within the actual ABS module. So, yep, right there. 0 DTCs for the ABS. Okay, so what's it tell us? Number one, don't be too proud or think that you know everything, because there's going to be a day where you just can't figure it out, and that's okay. Reach out to people, ask for help. Number two, apparently when you have a hybrid or electronic braking system that's not your normal pump, apparently you have to have a code scanner that is capable of actioning that bidirectional stuff and purging the air from the ABS module electronically, which I had no idea that I had to do that with that type of brake. So shout out to Casey Poole, who actually told me what to do with the code scanner. So thank you, Casey, because I think that might have actually done it. So we'll see. We'll see in the next couple days. I'll keep you guys posted. I still think that maybe the booster has an issue, but we'll see. I looked it up. It's like almost $800 part. So hopefully we don't have to deal with that. So thanks for watching, and definitely thanks for helping. Have a good morning.